When it comes to your credit worthiness, you won't want to trust anyone but the professionals. We know you have a lot of questions. What does your current credit rating mean? How can you increase your FICO score? How much will it cost to get help? We've helped hundreds of people improve their rating fast and efficiently, with emphasis on security and confidentiality. The time to review your credit is before you need it. You'll want to seek out an experienced agency to answer your questions and help you get started. Whether you're dealing with a foreclosure, judgment, tax lien, or just slow payments, we can help boost your scores with customized solutions that fit your budget. Call the professionals today before you apply for credit. We'll help you prepare in advance for large purchases, and we guarantee our services. For a no-obligation interview, call us today. Our experienced and friendly staff is standing by. Good credit scores matter, and we look forward to helping you boost yours today.